Do you want to know the best way to make money online in 2019 without having any money? Even if you're dead freaking broke, you can do this. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, the Wolf of Marketing. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, I create videos on how to make money online, how to be an entrepreneur, sales and persuasion. If you like those type of pieces of content, go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell to get notified every time I drop some new heat and to join the fam. Now let's get right into it. Now, you're trying to make money online. Chances are because you're tired of working your 9 to 5, you want to go ahead and build a life of freedom, abundance, and you're trying to look for that magical solution, right? And listen, I was literally in your shoes, and I'm gonna go and actually give you the secret that has allowed me to generate over $7,000 last week. And if you want some proof, let me go and actually show you some proof of how I made $7,000 last week. Could you imagine making over $7,000 in 7 days? That's averaging over $1,000 per day. Let's actually step behind the laptop and take a look. Boom. Hey, how's it going, guys? Eric Ellis here. Now, if you guys look here, Friday, June 14, 2019. So a 7-day period would be from June 8th to June 14, 2019. And for a specific system that I'm promoting online, so we have today I made $497. Yesterday I made $997. But let's look at this week's gross volume. So $3,562. So if you look here, $3,562. Now let's go to PayPal. So we're not gonna count June 6th, which is a $1,000 payment. We're not gonna count May 21st, which is a $2,000 payment. We're gonna do the week's time frame from June 8th to June 14th. So that's 1,000, that's 2,000, and then 997. So we're gonna do plus 1,000, plus 2,000, plus 997 equals $7,559 in 7 days. Most people don't make that in a month. Some people don't make that in 3 months. In 7 days. Now, if I divide that by 7, right now this current income stream is paying me over $1,079 per day. So with that being said, you see that this works, but the question is, what is it? Believe it or not, first and foremost, what is the business model? The business model is called affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business that you can actually start online and work from home. That's my office space right there, literally right there. I work from my computer every day, and simply what I do is I find people who have problems, and I solve those problems by selling them a product that provides the solution. But the cool thing is that I actually don't have to create the product myself, right? Instead of slaving away behind creating some product, or even not even knowing how to solve that person's problem myself to the best of my ability, right? I might have an idea, but somebody may do this way better, and they spent the time creating the actual product and spending all the time, the money, the effort, and energy. What I'm simply gonna do is I'm gonna go to actually find somebody who has created a product and see if they have an affiliate program. What an affiliate program is simply when they allow other people to promote their products. And whenever you actually promote their product, what they'll be willing to do is every time you generate a sale, they're willing to actually pay you a commission. So for example, let's just say somebody created a product that helps people jump higher, right? First, I struggled with that when I was trying to be in sports, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go and actually search for somebody who created a product that solves that problem. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and actually grab access to my unique affiliate link. Then I'm gonna go to that, go and find people who have that problem, and I'm gonna go and actually show them how my product can solve that problem, right? It's simple. You're literally just a professional middleman. Now, what is an easy way that we can go ahead and find people who actually are trying to solve that problem? Number one. Number two is how can you do it with $0, right? Now, guys, as I stated before, I made $7 grand last week. What have I been doing that has allowed me to do this, right? I simply create video content that people are searching for, and I leverage that content, giving them kind of a little piece of the pie of what they're trying to solve. And then I say, but if you want more information, check this out. So for example, what I can do is I can go ahead and actually create a YouTube channel. That's what I'm recommending you guys do, create a YouTube channel. If you guys want to make money with no investment, right? You don't need a website. You don't need a huge following or anything along those lines. If you have a YouTube channel, all you have to do is simply go ahead and create content that people are searching for. So for example, if I'm trying to go ahead and solve the problem of losing weight, what is the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do? I'm gonna go ahead and go online, go on either Google or YouTube, whether I like blogs or whether I like reading or whether I like videos. 80% of the content consumed nowadays is video content, right? So I'm gonna go on YouTube and I'm gonna go ahead and type how to lose weight. And depending on how good your content is, it will actually start ranking for those keywords. So when people search for that specific keyword of a problem they're trying to solve, your content's gonna go ahead and show up. Then all you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and give that person value and kind of give them a solution to their problem. But obviously in a 5 to 10 minute video, you can't teach them exactly how to lose weight. So you say, hey look, here's quick 3 tips on how to lose weight. You go ahead and give them quick 3 tips. They go ahead and actually apply that. You gave them some value. But then you say, however, if you do want to go ahead and actually lose weight even faster, or if you want a step-by-step process, check this out. And then what's going to happen is somebody's going to go ahead and click your link, your affiliate link. Once they click your affiliate link, they're going to go ahead and actually get access to a product that's going to go ahead and solve their problem and change their life. So what are you doing? You're finding a problem that you want to solve. Once you find that problem that you want to solve, the next step is finding a product that solves that problem. Once you find a product that solves that problem, then you want to start creating content around, right, the things that people are searching for that they want to solve. And then what you want to do is you want to go and leverage that traffic and redirect those eyeballs towards your affiliate product, right? So that to your affiliate link. And then once they go through that affiliate link, they're going to make a purchase and a transaction is made. I used that same skill set to make over $7,000 last week. If I can do it, I'm a high school educated, college dropout, right? D and F student. I'm not the smartest guy. I can do this. You can do this. Anybody can do this, right? So with that being said, that is the best way to make money online in 2019. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want me to make more like it, make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to join the fam and click that notifications bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you're tired of working a job, if you want to freaking fire that boss, live life on your terms, and never have to work a 9 to 5 ever again, click the first link in the description to learn the best way to make money online right now. Until next time, Eric Ellis, the Wolf of Marketing, checking